you doing? This is Dave Costa from Best Hill, Mexico. I'm on the rooftop of Singular Dream, one of the nicest developments in the Riviera Maya. As you can see, we have ocean view, panoramic ocean view from up here, multiple pools, hotel amenities like a spa, gym, bar, even a restaurant. You know, you can order a drink here poolside and a waiter will bring it to you. Amazing development. I'm sure you'll love it. You have to come check it out.